Hi, this is Diane. Welcome back to my luxury channel where we talk about luxury handbags, designer jewelry, cosmetics, everything we all know and, of course, love. Before I get to the topic of the day, I show you my bag of the day and I'll show it to you now. It is my Chanel 25 mini in dark blue, navy blue, denim. It's not denim, it's leather. Navy blue, metallic leather. There you go. I'll spin it. It's a beautiful bag. It's silver hardware. I'll show you the bottom. It's a shoulder carry and it's beautiful. And it's my bag of the day. Let me know what you think of it. It's one of my favorite bags. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you have one? Would you like one? Would you buy one? You know all the questions that I ask. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much. And I will put it aside. Okay. Bag of the day. A little information on my upcoming videos. I have some Louis Vuitton unboxings. One of them being, or reveals, unboxing reveals, I guess you could say, or my choice. I recently unboxed two P9s, a silver one and a green one. The silver's in 20, size 20. The green is in size 25. And I would love your opinion of which one I should keep. Either one or both. I'm not sure yet, but I'm very close to making a choice and I'll be showing that in a video soon. So if you'd like to see my videos, then you could subscribe and also hit the bell and you'll see my upcoming videos. I have a couple more that I have to discuss with you quickly. I'll go quickly. Chanel unboxing of Fall Winter 2026. I did a video of 4 different types of bags. I picked one and I'll be revealing and unboxing that one very soon. So that's another one that's coming up, and that I'm putting all the videos in the description box in case you missed them. You might have seen them. If you missed them, they'll be in the description box, all the links. Also, a bag tag coming up from Melissa of the Right Handbag. The theme is getting to know you, getting to know me. Different creators were tagged, and we're going to answer more little personal fun questions about ourselves. Well, there'll be bags involved too, but also it'll be a fun video tag, and I'll be doing that very soon. I think that is the last order of upcoming videos. Okay, so my topic of the day. This one's a little different than usual. It's Louis Vuitton, but it's more accessories. So I'm going to be unboxing 3 of the similar items, and I want you to tell me how they look on me. It's sort of like a ready-to-wear accessory. I want to let you know I want you to let me know how it looks on me and which one I should keep, or if I should keep all of them or none. There's 3 different ones, so 3 different unboxings. So let's just get to it. And Brendan, as usual, will hand me the boxes, and he doesn't mind. He likes helping me, right, Brendan? He's making faces as usual, but you know, he's cool with it. Okay, this one came in a very big box because the item isn't that big. It's your basic box. Like I said, the item's not as big as the box, but little information about all 3 of these. Not one of them was available in store. They're kind of new for the collection, and I had to order them, which I never usually do because I live in New York City and I'm near all the stores. There's about 5 Louis Vuitton stores in here. The ones I go to most are Bloomingdale's and 57th Street, 5th Avenue. Get rid of that. And since they were not available in store, I had to order them online. So this is the first time I'm going to try them on. I don't know what they're going to look like. I ordered 2 size mediums and a size small. That's all they had. So let's get to it. Get this opened. Okay. Yeah, like I said, the box is pretty big, and the item isn't that big. So here's the item. Brendan box. Thank you, Brendan. Usually I throw the boxes, but they make thud noises, and I don't know if you like that. So Brendan's nice enough to let me hand him the box. All right, so here it is. Tissue paper, Louis Vuitton stickers, as you can see. And here we go. It is a bucket hat. And there's a lot of tissue paper. Goodbye. Okay, this is the hat. It's orange and it has logos. I'm zooming in on the logos and giving it a little spin. As you can see, there's flowers. And they're like embossed, and it's, you know, they're a little fuzzy. They're fuzzy. And this is a size medium that they had a medium and a large, and I ordered the medium. I have kind of a skinny head. So let's see what this looks like. Ready? Fix my hair. What do you think? I'm pulling it down as much as I can. Is it cute? Is it not cute? I'll turn to the side. There's one side. There's the other side. And there's the, I'll bend down a little bit and show you the top. I mean, I think it's cute, kind of. But like, I think if I pull it down like this and then I bend my neck, it goes like that. And then it goes in front of my face. And I think I have to keep pulling it down. So if I go like this, it moves. I don't know if that'll bother me or be uncomfortable. Would that be uncomfortable for you? I don't know. Having to keep pulling it, or I could make it go like that, and then it still moves. Anyway, I think it's kind of cute, but let me know what you think. Do you like the color? Is it too bright? It's just kind of a summer thing anyway. It's called, the name of it is the Beach Time Bucket Hat in orange. So, I mean, Brendan, what do you think? What do you think of it? Oh, he's giving thumbs down. Why? Give me a little explanation, please.
It's too much.
Too much, too bright?
Too much, too much.
Too bright? Too big, too small?
Too everything.
What's the main reason you don't like it?
Every one of those and above.
All right, he just doesn't like it, I guess, overall, but I don't know. It's cute. Would it bother me a little bit as I move my head up and it moves? I don't know. But maybe I'll wear it around and see. All right, number one. Brendan, thank you. My hair's messy from the hat. All right, hand me the next one, please. Thanks. This one, yeah, just hand me that one. This one came in a smaller box. I forgot which one this was. I told you I'd ordered 3 of them. Let's undo this. All right, let's get rid of that. Whoop. Okay, let's get to it. All right, same old deal. Sticker, tissue sticker. You know the drill. If you know LV, they love their stickers. All right, this one's definitely different. It's still a bucket hat. That's what they call it. I'm not going to do thud. Okay, this one's called the stripes crochet bucket hat. No, this is called the flower knit bucket hat. The flower knit bucket hat, because it's knit. I'll put a little close up.
Where's the flower?
What, Brendan?
Where's the flower?
It looks like a flower, like that. It's called the flower knit bucket hat. And it does have the little canvas, thing there, logo. Brendan's gonna zoom in as I fix my shirt. Let me put it on. This one, they only had, no, this is a small. This is a small. The orange one was a medium. They only had mediums and larges. They didn't make a small. This made a small and a medium. And I'm going to put it on and see what the deal is. I don't even know which way to put it on. That way? Maybe this way. I think that the little Louis Vuitton logo canvas thing goes in the back. I can't see. Brendan, I can't see. I have to pull it back like this. I don't know, maybe this is for people with non-skinny heads, because my head's kind of skinny, like I said. I mean, it's kind of big. It doesn't move around as much as the orange one. So if I put my head up, it stays in place, but this is in front of my eyes. I have to go like that and see, but then does it look funny? Brendan, what do you think of this one? What's your opinion?
Not practical at all.
Why?
Because I don't want you having an accident because you can't see. Where are you going?
I mean, I don't know. It's kind of big for a small hat. And I go like this and, oh, maybe I could do the flip up look. Oh, what about that? How does that look? That might be cute. What do you think? Guys, what do you think? Oh, it fell. I'm gonna flip it up again. Let me show you the sides. And I'll flip down and show you the sides. I mean, I thought it was so cute on the website. Brendan, does it look better up or down? Flipped up or down? Does it look cute like that? Up's better? Flipped up's better so I could see, right? And then I could pull it down so the back isn't so annoying. I don't know, so far these two hats are a little bit annoying, but let me know what you think. Up, flipped up, or flipped down. All right, let's go to number 3. Here, Brendan. And keep them handy because I'm going to show them at the end, okay? All at once, okay? Well, you can get off your you-know-what and pick them up. They're 2 feet away. Thank you. This one came in a big box. It's also a hat, a bucket hat. Let me undo it real quick. Quick. And we will throw that over. Oops. Try not to get into the camera. Oops, sorry. Did I hit you in the head, Brenda? Sorry. All right, let me fix my hair again so I can put the hat on. Bucket hat number 3. Here we go. Okay, it's in the big box again. They could put the sticker on, but the sticker isn't really. Seems like this hat's bigger. Whatever. I'm just gonna take the tissue off. It comes with a big stuffing. I guess they like to keep the shape. All right, let me get rid of all this. Oh, annoying. All right, let's get rid of the box again. Brendan, box, thank you. Box. All right, now this one is called, I got them mixed up. The one I just showed you was the flower knit bucket hat. I think I said that, right? Whatever, it doesn't matter. It does, but that was the flower knit bucket hat. This is the stripes crochet bucket hat. And this was in the men's collection, and there was only a medium and a large, so looks kind of big. Huh? What do you think? I can't even see.
I think the name of the first one was this one.
No, that's the flower. This is
Whatever.
the stripes because it has stripes in it. See the stripes? It has stripes. This one's kind of big, and I don't know if I could. Like this is the way it looks like this, and I'll show you the sides. That. It's kind of annoying. It hits the back of my neck. This one's the most annoying, I would say. This one's, I think, way too big. Brendan, what do you think?
Yeah.
Too big?
Yeah, they're good.
I mean, you could wear this, right?
No.
I have a picture of him in it. Maybe I'll post it. I made him wear it, right, Brendan? He's laughing. Anyway, this is cute, but not. This one is definitely not a good fit. So I will not be keeping this one. But the other two, you know, I don't know. The other two, maybe. The other two, maybe. Anyway, let me put this on one more time so you could see it real quick. One more time. It's kind of big. All right, let's see all of them. Can you bring them over, Brendan, please? This is the finale. Thank you. And thank you. The big finale. This is the stripes crochet bucket hat with the logos. I'll put it here. Put them in here. This one is the flower knit bucket hat, black and white stripes, as you can see. It's cute. This was the cute. I think this was the cutest one I saw from the website. There's that one. And then there's the orange one. There it is. And this one is called Beach Time Bucket Hat Orange. Okay. Which one do you like the best? Which one don't you like? Which one do you like? Do you like them all? Do you not like any? fix my hair again. I don't know if it's, how's it's looking, but what do you think? Let me know if you like any of them, don't like any of them, would like to wear one, would like to buy one, would never like any of them. So give me your opinion. So far, my opinion is this blue one is way too big. This one maybe could be in second place. This might be the best one that fits me best. I'll try them on again with some outfits, but I'd love to know your opinion. Please put it in the comments below. I look at all of your comments and I answer all of them, and you learn from me, I learn from you, we learn from each other, and we help each other make the best decisions possible. So also, it's August and it is Leo season. So I'm a Leo and my birthday is in August. It's coming up in a couple of weeks. And I'm wearing my Leo shirt because I want to celebrate all the Leos out there. The Leos that are born in August and the Leos that are born in July, because there's some in July Leos, and they're included too. So congratulations for Leo season, and I'll be speaking about Leo season in my videos here and there. I'm going to do a birthday video. My birthday is August 13th. My lucky number is 13. And it's my birthday month. So like I said, I'll be doing some fun birthday things. Not sure what they are yet, but I don't know if I'll be eating cake on my videos or having streamers. I don't know. Maybe none of that. But it's just a fun month for me since it's my birthday. And I think everyone's birthday should last for their birthday month. Let me know what you think of that. Do you think when your birthday is in August, September, October, whenever, is it your birthday month? I think it should be. Birthdays need to be celebrated because you made it another year. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for supporting me, liking, making comments, and all that. I will put all my upcoming videos in the description box as well, so you know what's coming. So please subscribe, and you'll hit the bell, and you'll know what my next videos will be. All right, peace, love, and bucket hats. I'll pick them up again. Peace, love, bucket hats. Peace, love, Louis Vuitton. And peace and love to you all. I appreciate you all. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.